So I'm just leaving the beautiful little town of Lock Haven in the beautiful state of Pennsylvania. I stayed at that boat launch area. What a nice spot. So that was all flooded. I guess they had to move houses and stuff like that, so they built that boat ramp area where I stayed last night, and it's free, which is really nice. Like, you don't have to pay for a launch or nothing. Just because they did what they did to put the dam in, they built that whole area and said, there you go, guys, launch for free, which is nice, because a lot of people will tell you getting a pass to launch a boat is stupid. I was talking to one guy, and I think he said it was almost like $400 just to launch a boat a year. I'm like, what? He goes, yeah. He says, I don't store it here. He said, that's just to launch. I'm like, whoa. So yeah, they built that nice little area so you could stay there overnight. The washrooms were clean, very clean, and they're left open 24/7. So, you know, as long as people don't abuse it, which it looks like they haven't. It's been there for a while now. That's excellent. All right, guys. I really, I said I'll probably be back up in Canada in 3 weeks. Now I'm thinking I'm going to be back up there tomorrow. I'm not that far. The second part of this trip here actually went a lot quicker. Not that I was like going any faster. It just seems to be a lot quicker. So there's a campground that's fairly close to the border. So I'm going to go across the Buffalo border. Just because I've actually never crossed there before. I usually go down Port Huron. So I thought I'd just give it a try and see what it's like crossing that border. So that's my plan right now. So like I mentioned before about the plans, I was going to go to the East Coast and then cross into Canada and come back. I changed my mind, and I'll give you a quick rundown of what my new plan is, because that's how my plans work. I want to go back to Ontario, and there's things I want to do. I want to get all the oils changed on this truck. So it's a little tight here right now. Just give me a second here. So I got 35,000 miles on this truck. So when I'm back in Ontario, I'm going to get new tires. I'm going to get all the oils changed, everything, diffs, transfer case, the whole 9 yards. And then I have to update my license, the health card, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to get all that done. Then I'm going to head to the East Coast. Stay on the East Coast in Canada until maybe the middle of October, 1st of November. Come back down into the States, make my way all the way down to Florida. Like I was always talking about going to the Key West. Again, this is just a plan, guys. It's not mean this is in stone, because if you've watched me, nothing is in stone. So I'm going to do that, then make my way towards the West Coast, go back up into Canada about this time of the year, probably back up across in maybe April, go back up into Vancouver Island, spend 2 months up there as I make my way up across and go up towards the Arctic Circle and Alaska. That's kind of the plan as we stand right now. So this is pretty around here. All right, guys, on the going onto the Peace Bridge back to Canada. There's people coming on this way, and I'm going back to Canada. Bet everybody's going, yay! Goodbye, US. We'll see you in about 6 months. I'm right in the middle of the bridge, and she's telling me to keep straight. Yeah, no shit. Hi.
Just yourself?
Just myself, yep.
Do you know your license plate?
Sorry?
Do you know your license?
Yeah, it's BR 5.
There you go, what's that?
Thank you.
Okay.
You too. Well, another good crossing. All right, we're back into Canada. I didn't realize I had to pay to get back into Canada. Now I guess you're paying for the freeway, I guess. I don't even know how much it was, to be honest. I just tapped the card and the thing opened up. They could have just took $300 off my account for all I know. now in Kitchener. My sister lives in Kitchener, Jackie. So I am just going to drop by their house for maybe an hour, not very long, because I still have about another good hour and a half drive before I get back to home. A quick visit here, and she'll probably come up to Jared, where I'm going to be staying. That's normally what I do now, is just kind of stay at Jared, my buddy's place here. He's got an acreage, and she'll probably come up there for a little bit and visit, maybe for a couple days. All right, guys, I am back home at my buddy's place. You watched the earlier videos, any work I did there when I installed my batteries and all that. That's this place up here. That's where I'm going to be for the next month and a half. But so, guys, with that being said, I am going to let you guys go. And as always, be good, be kind, be careful. We'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye-bye.
Looking for sunset, digging deep.
Oh, you're shaking, hon. You're shaking. Oh, here's my cup. Here's my cup. Oh, I know. Here's my cup. Here's my cup. Oh, scrubby babies. Scrubby babies. Oh.
I think it's time for me to go.